If you boil rosemary and drink it every day, what happens to your body? Did you know that it is popular as a happiness herb? This herb has a long history of culinary and aromatic uses. It contains a number of important vitamins, minerals, and other health-promoting nutrients, which improve your health. In this video, you will find out why you should boil and drink rosemary-infused water every day. Be sure to watch until the end, because there may be a few benefits that you've probably never heard of before. Along with that, I'll also share how to prepare and boil rosemary. So if you're ready, let's get started. Rosemary is popular among health-conscious individuals due to its medicinal properties. This has been used since ancient times and has some excellent health benefits for the human body. It is used to flavor delicious meals. Rosemary is an excellent source of iron, calcium, and vitamin B6. It also contains a good amount of dietary fiber, antioxidants, medicinal benefits, and antibacterial properties. To get its benefits, making tea by boiling rosemary leaves is the easiest and healthiest way. Let's see the important benefits of consuming rosemary tea regularly. Number 1. High in antioxidants. Rosemary tea is high in antioxidants that help protect your body from oxidative damage and inflammation. It reduces inflammation throughout the entire body, even chronic inflammation. This is because of carnosic acid, which is a potent and unique compound found within rosemary tea. Number 2. Lowers blood sugar. People who have diabetes should properly manage their blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that compounds found in rosemary tea lower blood sugar. It helps lower high blood sugar levels by exerting insulin-like effects. Number 3. Reduce water retention. Rosemary tea has excellent natural diuretic properties. It can be used to prevent water retention. It increases urine production in your body. That stimulates the body to eliminate more water and toxins and improves health. Number 4. Improve blood circulation. Proper blood circulation is an important function in our body and important for overall health. Rosemary tea can also help to promote blood circulation. It can help to boost and produce red blood cells, which can help to allow for better and proper blood flow. Rosemary improves the absorption of nutrients we consume. Also, it boosts energy and provides anticoagulant properties. Number 5. Enhance mood and memory. Drinking rosemary tea helps to reduce anxiety and boost mood. It contains substances that help reduce the levels of the stress hormone. It improves concentration and memory. You get this benefit by smelling and drinking rosemary tea. Number 6. Promote digestion. In Europe, rosemary is often used to treat indigestion and stomach-related problems. It has been approved in Germany as a treatment for indigestion. Drinking rosemary tea right after your main meals helps with digestion, since it helps empty the gallbladder. It makes digestion easier, especially after eating fatty and heavy foods. It acts like bile release by the gallbladder and helps with fat digestion. Number 7. Anti-aging properties. Drinking rosemary tea becomes a skin savior. This is due to the availability of powerful antioxidants and antimicrobial phytochemicals. You can also apply it to the skin to cure bacterial or fungal infections, lesions, acne, and blisters. The antioxidants like rosmarinic acid eliminate the free radicals that cause wrinkles and fine lines. This way, drinking rosemary tea can be beneficial for your health. After knowing the important benefits, let's know how to prepare rosemary tea. For that, you will need 1 tablespoon of rosemary leaves. You can use fresh or dried leaves, and 1 cup of water. First, boil the water in a teapot, then add the rosemary herb to the water. Let it steep for 5 to 6 minutes. Strain the water into a cup and let cool to your desired temperature. Add the honey, if you wish. Mix well and drink it. After knowing its benefits, would you like to try rosemary tea? Let us know in the comments below. If you like the information, give it a thumbs up to support us and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and tap the bell icon below for getting regular updates. And lastly, you may also check out our other videos too. Stay fit, and thanks for watching this video.